Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare Tidio with Tawk. In order to do so, here we are starting at Tidio.com. And what is Tidio all about? Well, you can accelerate your growth with AI customer service. Answer up to 70% of customer inquiries without human intervention, convert more leads, provide stellar support, and supercharge your revenue using our game-changing AI-driven customer service solution. And if that sounds like something you're interested, you can go ahead and click Start for free and get started with Tidio. Let's take a closer look at the pricing. So you can see here that we have the starter plan, which is ideal for small businesses focused on enhancing customer satisfaction via live chat support, and that is $29 a month. We have the growth plan, which is ideal for teams of all sizes, prioritizing customer service as their competitive advantage, and that starts at $59 a month. Then we have the plus, which is for businesses requiring better limits, additional integrations, advanced features, and premium support, and that is $749 a month. We also have the premium, which is for more complex businesses, and this is at $3,000 a month. So that gives you an idea of what to expect with Tidio. Let's go ahead and take a look at Tawk. And here we are at tawk.to, and that's Tawk, T-A-W-K. And with Tawk, you actually have access to a free service. It's pretty much entirely free. Now, if you do want to add additional services, then it is going to charge money. However, in order to get started, it is entirely free. So that is one reason why you might want to consider Tawk. And let's just take a look at some of the information here. So you can use Tawk for all your live chat, ticketing, knowledge base, CRM, and chat pages in one organized place. And also, it is 100% free. Again, so if you want to get started for free, you can click here. We can also find out why it's 100% free. So let's go ahead and click on that. And why is tawk.to free? Well, it's probably not what you think. Primarily, let me thank you for taking the time to learn about us. We're honored that you're considering Tawk. I'm Robert, Tawk's founder. I'm not Robert, I'm David. But how does Tawk generate revenue? And so we can see here that offering a free product, we first launched in 2013. And let's see here. Let's just make sure that we're getting through all of the information here and getting to the basics. So actually, let's go ahead and head back here to the main page, because I think that it's a little bit more straightforward if we scroll down here to the bottom. Then we can find here in our FAQs, how can you offer this for free? We generate revenue by providing hired agent services for customers that don't want to answer the chat themselves. To use the software and answer yourself is completely free with no limits at all on the number of agents, chat volumes, or sites you can add widgets to. tawk.to is truly 100% free, and then just $1 an hour if you need professionally trained native speaking chat agents to help answer your chats. So that's pretty interesting. And if you are interested in Tawk, you can go ahead and click Get Started there. Let's go ahead and ask AI. And according to AI, Tawk excels in its live chat functionality with a score of 9.6, while Tidio scores slightly lower at 9.4. Live chat on tawk.to is entirely free with add-ons available for a monthly cost. So double check the features and pricing on the official websites for the most up-to-date information. So that gives you an idea of what to expect. They both are really quite competitive, but if you are looking for a free solution, then you might want to consider Tawk. But take a look at Tidio and exactly where it differs to determine which one is best for you and your business. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.